Welcome to Redline Channel Automotive. The 2025 Nissan Patrol offers a dramatic new design, potent performance, and cutting-edge technology, marking a considerable departure from its predecessors. Here are a few of its salient characteristics. A twin-turbo V6 engine that produces remarkable power and torque now powers the Patrol. The Patrol's cutting-edge off-road innovations and four-wheel drive systems led it to easily navigate difficult terrain. The 2025 Nissan Patrol's twin-turbo V6 engine replaces the famous V8 engine, making it one of the biggest upgrades. Some fans might be surprised by this choice, but there's a good reason behind it. The fuel efficiency of its twin-turbo V6 engine is significantly higher than that of its predecessor, the V8 engine. This implies that you won't have to stop often to refuel and can enjoy longer trips. This twin-turbo V6 engine generates significantly more power and torque in spite of its reduced capacity. Strong off-road capability and snappy acceleration are provided by 425 horsepower and 700 Nm of torque. Twin-turbo technology makes driving more pleasurable and smooth by responding exceptionally well to gas pedal pressure. This twin-turbo V6 engine is more ecologically friendly due to its more recent technology, which reduces emissions. Why V6? By lowering the vehicle's total weight, the lighter V6 engine enhances handling and fuel economy. A smaller engine lowers the center of gravity of the vehicle, improving handling and stability, particularly while navigating uneven terrain. Future innovation and the creation of new technology are made possible by a larger engine room. The 2025 Nissan Patrol's brave decision to switch to a twin-turbo V6 engine paid off. In addition to providing superior performance, this machine is more eco-friendly and efficient. With its remarkable power, fuel efficiency, and cutting-edge technology, the 2025 Nissan Patrol is prepared to take on any challenge. Premium materials, such as leather and wood accents, are used to create the interior design. The Patrol boasts a cutting-edge infotainment system with several connectivity choices and a sizable touchscreen display. Up to 7 passengers can sit comfortably in the roomy interior. The Patrol is sure to draw attention with its powerful and striking appearance. It is a real head-turner because to its massive size and dominant road presence. All things considered, the 2025 Nissan Patrol is a high-end SUV that provides the ideal balance of comfort, performance, and design. For individuals who expect the highest level of off-road performance and on-road luxury, it's a fantastic option.